Hooray! It's Dimacious Learning Time again. Are you ready to learn with us today? Good. Let's take some sight words with two letters. H, E, he. M, E, me. W, E, we. B, E, be. L, O, low. N, O, no. G, O, go. S, O, so. M, Y, my. B, Y, by. U, P, up. U, S, us. Spell the letters on the screen. Now pronounce it. Good. Thank you for learning with me today. Please subscribe for more.